It's one of the most iconic delis, restaurants. It's one of the most iconic places in general. I've noticed whenever in movies or TV shows, whenever they're trying to establish that you're in Los Angeles, there's usually an exterior shot of us somewhere in there. TV shows, Entourage filmed here, different places have filmed here when they really want to establish Los Angeles. Whatever the opposite of early adapters are, that's us. Before we actually had a paper time punch clock where you took your time card, punched it in. Hopefully the ribbon was good that day so you could actually read the time. And then you put it back there and other people would grab other people's time cards and they would have to be corrected. And then at the payroll time, we'd have to collect all those time cards, reconcile those time cards to a paper schedule, and go from there. With Rabco, it's taken payroll from being basically a 12-hour process down to a 2-hour process, which frees our hands up to do a whole lot of other things. We've cut down on the time that it takes to process payroll. Payroll is a lot more, as far as we're concerned, exact. Again, it's going off information given to us directly by the employee, so it's much easier for us to adhere to all those different rules and regulations. Employee-driven data, which is very important nowadays because you need employee-driven data because there's so many different laws, there's state, there's local, there's federal, and they all kind of tend to superimpose on each other. So employee-driven data is an incredibly important thing. We have been in constant contact with Rabco when we need it. I can send a text, I get a text back immediately. I can call, I can email, and the response time has been really great.